The Neuro Fuzzy Rice Cooker and Warmer is one of Zojirushi's best-selling rice cookers and is the perfect addition to any kitchen. The rice cooker is available in a 5.5 or 10-cup size. Both sizes include advanced features to cook delicious rice and a variety of healthy grains with no stress. The Neuro Fuzzy microcomputer allows the rice cooker to think for itself. It makes fine adjustments to cooking time and temperature according to the type of grain and its amount to ensure it is cooked perfectly every time. To prepare rice, open the rice cooker and remove the inner cooking pan. Measure the amount of rice you want to cook with the included measuring cup, leveling off each cup. Use the clear cup for white, brown, semi-brown, and sweet rice. Use the green cup for rinse-free rice. Both cups are slightly smaller than a standard US measuring cup. Pour water and gently wash the rice in the scratch-resistant, rinse-okay, non-stick inner cooking pan. Drain and repeat this process until the water runs clear. Fill the pan with water up to the line that matches the amount of rice you're cooking. The high-contrast water-level lines have been enhanced for visibility, making it easy for you to fill to your mark. In this case, we are cooking 4 cups of white rice. Place the inner cooking pan back into the rice cooker and close the lid. Select the type of rice to be cooked. You can select from regular or sushi white rice, softer white rice, harder white rice, quick cooking, mixed rice, porridge, sweet rice, semi-brown rice, or brown rice from the easy-to-read LCD control panel. For rinse-free rice, press the Pre-Washed button before making your menu selection. Press the Cooking button and let the rice cooker do its job. The triple heaters inside the rice cooker heat the rice from the bottom, sides, and the top, cooking the rice evenly. This machine also features a clock and delay timer function with 2 programmable memory settings. Set the timer up to 13 hours in the future for rice that's ready when you want it. Once the rice is cooked, the rice cooker automatically switches to Keep Warm mode. The cooked rice can be kept warm for up to 12 hours. The Neuro Fuzzy Rice Cooker and Warmer also features an extended Keep Warm mode, which keeps the rice warm at a lower temperature for an additional 8 hours. The reheat cycle quickly brings rice back to serving temperature. The Stay Cool side handles on the inner cooking pan allows for quick and easy transporting of hot, delicious rice. The detachable inner lid and the inner cooking pan are fully washable, and the exterior can be wiped down for easy cleaning. Plus, the retractable power cord and sturdy handle make this machine easy to transport and store. Accessories include a rice spatula, spatula holder, a regular rice measuring cup, and a rinse-free rice measuring cup. The Zojirushi Neuro Fuzzy Rice Cooker and Warmer is made in Japan with an eye towards superior technology, design, and performance. Zojirushi, inspirations from everyday life.
Rice cookers are the perfect addition to any kitchen because of their functionality. This is Zojirushi's Micom rice cooker and warmer, made in Japan. The Micom is equipped with advanced fuzzy logic technology, which simply means the machine's microcomputer makes fine adjustments to time and temperature to ensure the rice is cooked perfectly every time. Using the measuring cup provided, which measures slightly under a traditional cup size, fill the cooking pan with your desired amount of rice. As you can see, the inner pan is marked with numbers. After rinsing your rice, simply fill water to the line that matches the amount of cups of rice you've measured. This thick black inner cooking pan and heating element on the lid ensures that the rice is cooked evenly. With a variety of settings, you can cook different types of rice and grains effortlessly by selecting from the easy-to-read LCD control panel. White or sushi rice, quick cooking, mixed, porridge, sweet, brown, and steam settings are all pre-programmed in the machine, taking the guesswork out of cooking rice. Set your machine to make rice when you want it. There are 2 delay timers and automatic and extended keep warm settings. This Micom also doubles as a steamer and comes complete with a steaming tray, which allows users to steam vegetables, fish, or other items conveniently. Cleanup is a snap with the new Micom. The inner lid is easily removed for washing, and the cooking pan is non-stick. The Micom rice cooker and warmer is available in 5.5 cup and 10 cup capacities, and rice cooker capacity is measured by uncooked short grain white rice. The Micom rice cooker and warmer prepares healthy meals efficiently and flawlessly. Zojirushi, inspirations from everyday life.
Looks and smarts. This compact machine has it all. This is Zojirushi's 3-cup Micom rice cooker and warmer. This microcomputerized or Micom unit is equipped with advanced fuzzy logic technology that makes fine adjustments to cooking time and temperature to ensure the rice is cooked to perfection every time. Just set it and let it do its thing. One less pot on the stove, one less thing to think about. Zojirushi takes the guesswork out of cooking rice. This unit comes with the all-new steel-cut oatmeal setting and the long-grain white rice setting. Other pre-programmed settings include white or mixed rice, quick cooking, sushi rice, and brown rice. Expanded healthy menu option, the GABA brown rice setting, activates brown rice for added nutritional value. To cook rice, using the measuring cup provided, which measures slightly under a traditional cup size. Fill the cooker with your desired amount of rice. After washing your rice until the water runs clear, simply fill water to the line that matches the amount of rice you measured. In this case, 2 cups of white rice. The inner pan is clearly marked with high contrast water level lines for improved visibility. This Micom rice cooker has a 3-cup capacity and is the perfect size for couples or smaller families, as it can cook as little as half a cup of rice or oats. The rice cooker's compact size and attractive clear-coated stainless steel exterior make it a modern, versatile addition to any kitchen. This model features a convenient detachable inner lid for easy cleaning. And it utilizes a triple heater, which generates heat from the bottom, sides, and lid to ensure even cooking. Another feature is an easy-to-read LCD display with clock and timer functions. There are 2 delay timers, so you can set the rice cooker to finish cooking rice for dinner, and use the second setting with the steel-cut oatmeal menu setting for a hot and healthy breakfast without the wait. For convenience, the unit will automatically switch to keep warm after cooking. The unit has a handy built-in retractable power cord, and accessories include a rice spatula, spatula holder, and rice measuring cup. Zojirushi, inspirations from everyday life. This Zojirushi Micom rice cooker and warmer comes with a gorgeous stainless brown exterior finish and 5.5 cups and 10 cups capacity. The machine features fuzzy logic technology and multiple menu settings for cooking not only various types of rice, such as brown rice, sushi rice, and porridge, but moist and delicious cake, or steamed vegetables and fish. The black, thick inner cooking pan distributes heat evenly and is non-stick coated for easy cleaning, and the inner lid is detachable and washable. It also has a built-in retractable power cord, which makes storage easy, and an interchangeable melody or beep signal that notifies you when cooking is complete. Zojirushi, inspirations from everyday life. Made in Japan, this Zojirushi induction heating system rice cooker and warmer features a stylish stainless dark gray exterior and comes in 2 convenient sizes. The black, thick spherical inner cooking pan distributes heat evenly and is non-stick coated for easy cleaning, and the inner lid is made of stainless steel and is detachable and washable. This machine features superior induction heating technology, or IH, which efficiently provides high heat by creating a magnetic field within the machine to heat the inner cooking pan. In addition, the triple heaters in the bottom, sides, and lid also provide even heat. The menu settings include white rice in regular, softer, or harder textures, quick cooking, mixed rice, jasmine white rice, sushi rice, porridge, and sweet rice, as well as healthy cooking options like brown rice and GABA brown rice. Zojirushi, inspirations from everyday life. Made in Japan, this rice cooker can cook as little as half a cup of rice and up to 3 cups, which is ideal for singles and small families. The black, thick spherical inner cooking pan distributes heat evenly and is non-stick coated for easy cleaning. The machine is equipped with superior induction heating technology, or IH, that utilizes a magnetic field to heat and cool the inner cooking pan quickly and evenly for better cooking, and the triple heaters in the bottom, sides, and lid provide even heat. The menu settings for white and mixed rice, rinse-free, quick cooking, sushi rice, and porridge make this rice cooker versatile, and the menu settings for brown rice and GABA brown rice add healthy options. The inner lid is made of stainless steel and is detachable and washable, and the detachable power cord makes storage easy. Zojirushi, inspirations from everyday life. The Zojirushi automatic rice cooker and warmer comes in 2 sizes, 5.5 cups and 10 cups, and 2 gorgeous finishes, tulip and metallic gray. This rice cooker is simple to use, and the one-touch operation starts cooking immediately using the triple heater on the bottom, side, and lid of the rice cooker, which generates the ideal temperature for cooking rice. Once the water in the inner cooking pan is absorbed by the rice cooker switches to the keep warm mode. The rice cooker's lid can be opened with the push of a button, and when closed, the lid snaps tight. The inner lid, dew collector, as well as the non-stick coated inner cooking pan are all removable for thorough cleaning. The unit comes with a detachable power cord, and accessories include a spatula holder, and a rice measuring cup. Zojirushi, inspirations from everyday life. The new Zojirushi Micom rice cooker and warmer is packed with features and is ideal for couples and small families. This rice cooker uses a 2.5mm thick black inner pan for even heat distribution, with non-stick coating that makes it easy to clean. Its compact size allows you to make as little as half a cup of rice or grains. And new healthy menu options make cooking brown rice, quinoa, and steel-cut oatmeal stress-free. When cooking has completed, an optional melody signal will alert you. The Micom rice cooker and warmer uses a microcomputer with advanced fuzzy logic technology that makes fine adjustments to cooking time and temperature to ensure perfect results every time. A triple heater, including an extra-large heating element, heats and warms the rice from the bottom, sides, and the top. A removable steam vent cap allows for high-temperature cooking without messy overflows. The washable inner lid is detachable for convenience, and all surfaces that come into contact with your food are BPA-free. Along with these great features, the removable power cord and sturdy fold-down handle make this machine simple to transport and store. Accessories include a spatula and measuring cup. The Zojirushi Micom rice cooker and warmer is a superbly designed machine that provides lasting performance. Zojirushi, inspirations from everyday life.